Hi everybody, I'm Asher Kelly. Welcome to the Wild Kratts martial art lesson today. In this lesson, we're going to practice some fun ninja moves. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe, because at the end of the video, I'll be announcing a giveaway winner for one of our newest comic books, Dr. Fist, The Wrong Destiny Part 1. So if you want to know the origin of Dr. Fist, see what he's all about, see why he doesn't like Dojo so much, make sure you guys like and subscribe because I'll be doing a giveaway. Now parents, if you still want a copy of this comic book, you can click the links down below. I have an ebook and a print version available. Alright you guys, let's get started with the warm-up. Alright, ready? We're going to start by counting to 5 in Korean. Everyone repeat after me. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good, awesome. Alright, swinging our arms. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Going the other way now. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Elbows up, rotate left and right. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Awesome. All right, everyone, hands in the knees. Good. We're gonna stretch one side just like this. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Other side now. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good. Awesome. All right, now this time I'm gonna take your hands, reach down to one side. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Other side now. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. All right, hands down the middle. Good. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, shake your hands, shake your legs a little bit. Awesome. All right, ready yet? Kanye. All right. All right, you guys. Really good job with the warm-up. Let's get started with the lesson. Ready yet? Kanye. Awesome. All right. Today we're gonna practice some traditional stances. So when I say 준비, I want you to have 1 foot apart, hands up like this, and we're gonna punch both hands down. Let's do that together. Everyone, 차렷. 준비. Awesome, good. Let's do that again. Let's see you can be faster. 차렷. Good. And 준비. Awesome, good. All right, we're gonna take this arm. I want you guys to cross this one on top. Awesome, good. Now here's what we're gonna do. We're going to go into a horse stance, just like this. We're gonna go low block. Good, just like that. So both my knees are bent, both feet are pointing straight. Good, we're keeping our knees bent. Now we'll make sure we're not locking out our legs. We're keeping them nice and bent. Good. Awesome. Now from here, we're gonna throw a middle punch. So I'm gonna say punch. Awesome, good. Cross this arm on top. Everyone say low block. Punch. Awesome, good job again. Cross this arm on top. Good job. Low block. Punch. Awesome, good job. 2 more times. Cross this arm on top. Good. Low block. Punch. Awesome. 1 more. Ready? Cross this arm on top. Low block. Punch. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Now, we're going to take this arm. We're going to cross it underneath like this, okay? So this arm's underneath. We're going to go side block. So that means my knuckles are facing out. This hand's on my rib cage here. And then from here, we're going to punch. Punch. Awesome. Good. Cross this arm underneath. Everyone say side block. Punch. Good, nice. Keep a good base with your feet too. Make sure your knees are bent. Don't lock them out. Keep them bent. Ready? Cross underneath. Side block. Punch. Awesome. 2 more times. Ready? Cross underneath. Side block. Punch. Awesome. Good. 1 more time. Cross underneath. Side block. Punch. Awesome. Good job. All right. When I say paro, we're going to go back to 준비 position. paro. Good. 차렷. 그녀. Awesome, good job you guys. All right, let's practice some kicks. So when I say fighting stance, we're gonna have our right foot back, both hands up. Let's see you can be the fastest. Ready? Make sure you don't go yet. Ready? Ready, go. Ready, finish, yes. Awesome, good job. All right, here's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna practice an axe kick. So here's what an axe kick looks like. You're gonna swing your leg up and down, okay? So you're gonna swing your leg up and down on my count, okay? Someone hands up, fighting stance. Awesome, all right, axe kick on my count. Everyone say 하나. Good, nice, good. Do it. Good, good job. Set. Good, keep your legs straight. Net. Good, good. Toss it. Awesome, good job. All right, let's do the other leg this time. Ready? And 하나. Good, good. Do it. Good, good job. Set. Good, good. Net. Good, 1 more. Toss it. Awesome, good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. All right, you guys ready to play a game today? Nah, I don't believe you. Yes, yes, sir. I still don't believe you. Yes, sir. Awesome. All right, so here's the game we're gonna play. Manchetti yet? Awesome. All right, when I say fighting stance again, 1 foot back, both hands up. Ready, fighting stance. Awesome. Okay, so here's the game we're gonna play today. It's called the switch game, okay? I'll explain how it works. If I clap my hands, I want you guys to switch your feet. If I don't clap them, don't switch your feet. Now here's the penalty. If you switch, let's say for example, I say the word switch, but I don't clap my hands, and you switch anyway, you have to do 1 push-up. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, all right, let's give it a try. Ready? Listen for the clap. Switch. There you go. So if you switched your feet, you look good. Switch. Good. Switch. Good. Switch. Oh no, if I caught you, do 1 push-up. If I didn't catch you, good job. You're still in the game, all right? Now, even if you did your push-up, it's okay. Stand back up. Let's get back into it again. Give you another chance. Ready? And switch. Good. Switch. Aha, make sure you don't get caught. If you didn't, good job. All right, let's keep going. Ready? Switch. 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 Oh no, ready? Switch. Oh no, make sure I don't catch you. Ready, switch. Okay, some of you guys aren't moving. Some of you guys did. It's okay. Just go and do back to your push-ups. All right, 2 more times. Ready? And switch. 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 Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very, very good work today. Awesome. All right, so before we move on to our cool down and before we do the giveaway, we're going to talk about something really important. So let's go and head over back to the dojo. Awesome job today, guys. Now, before we finish up with our cool down, we're going to answer a question from one of our online students named Samantha. And Samantha asked, how long does it take to get to a black belt? This is a really good question. Like, it's a question I get asked a lot. How long does it take? You know, does it take a year? Does it take 2 years? Does it take 10 years, right? So for me personally, in my school, my martial arts school that I teach in person, it takes about 8 to 10 years to get a black belt. Now, that might be really long, right? That might sound super surprising. Maybe you have friends in other martial arts schools that maybe take 1 or 2 years to get their black belt, right? Sometimes it happens really soon. Sometimes you might have friends who have a junior black belt. They might have a black and a red bar, right? But here's the thing, okay? Here's the most important thing I want you guys to take from this, okay? A black belt is simply this. It's a white belt that never gives up, right? Think about it. A black belt is a white belt that never gives up. Now, does a black belt start with a black belt or do they start with a white belt? They start with a white belt, right? So this can be applied to your life as well. Let's say you want to be really good at drawing, right? Or maybe you want to be really good at maybe you want to get better grades in school. Maybe you want to be really good athlete. Maybe you want to play football one day, or maybe you want to play a basketball star, right? So here's the thing. All the people that are really, really good at what they do, they started just like you, right? They started with nothing. They started not knowing anything until they learned how to do it. So my challenge to you is I want you to do everything that you do knowing that a white belt, or a black belt rather, is a white belt that never gives up in every part of your life, right? So if you want to draw and you feel discouraged, you feel like, man, these other people are way better than me, just remember, a black belt's a white belt that never gave up. And a black belt can also mean you're a black belt at drawing. It could mean you're a black belt at reading. You're a black belt at writing. You're a black belt at being an athlete, right? Being a singer, being a musician, right? So if you think with that attitude all the time in everything you do in your life, okay, you're gonna not give up, and you're also gonna most likely get there. Because here's the thing, a lot of people in life, they wanna be things, they wanna achieve certain things, but the problem is that they stop short, right? They stop short because they give up, right? So long as you don't give up, okay, and you keep pushing, you keep finding new ways, chances are you're gonna get there. Now, here's one thing I really wanna tell you guys, okay? When I was growing up, when I was doing martial arts, there was a lot of times where I wanted to give up, okay? So if you're in that situation, or maybe you're doing something, right? Something is really hard, right? Maybe something hard in school. Maybe there's a subject you don't understand. I know a lot of you guys are going back to school, right? And some of you guys are homeschooled. I was homeschooled too, right? But I also did private and public school as well. And here's the thing. Sometimes you're gonna be learning things that are really difficult, right? Really hard for you to learn. As long as you don't give up, you will learn them, right? Now, it might take you longer than someone else. And that's the most important thing I want you guys to remember, is that it doesn't matter what everyone else is doing, as long as you're focusing on you, right? So if you're focusing on how you can learn and how you can get better every single day, you're gonna eventually get there. If you're focused too much on other people, right? it's going to distract you from what's important. Okay, and a really good quote by Michael Phelps. If you guys don't know who that is, he's a really famous Olympian athlete. He's a swimmer, right? He's had the most gold medals in Olympic swimming history, right? He's very, very famous for that. And one of the things he said is that winners focus on winning, losers focus on the winners, right? So if you want to be winning, if you want to do things well, focus on winning, right? Focus on how can you get better, not focusing on all the other things around you. Now, can you be inspired by things around you? Sure, right? I'm sure some of you guys watching this video, maybe you see some of the moves that we're doing and you're like, man, I want to do that too. That's fine. However, don't be discouraged. Remember that every person that you see that has done something really well in their life, right? Something that you want to be good at. Maybe you want to be a musician, right? Maybe you look up to some guitar player or maybe some musician or singer that you want to be like. Remember, they started not knowing anything and then they got to where they needed to be. Okay? So hope you guys take that lesson well. Now make sure you guys stick with the end of this video because we'll be announcing our giveaway and we'll also be doing the cool down. Make sure you guys do the stretches, okay? I'll see you guys there. Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. So I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're gonna stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm gonna take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead and push yourself forward. Okay, now we're gonna count to 10 in Korean for pizza. With a nice nod after me. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna take one foot. We're gonna pick up our knee just like this, and then we're gonna put our hands on the ground. Just keep ourselves stable, stretching out our quad muscle right here. Then we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna stretch out this leg. Okay, stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. So everyone together, everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're gonna stretch our hip on this side. Good. Now make sure you don't forget to breathe. Okay? Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good. Nice. Now we're gonna take this foot. We're gonna stretch it out just like this. Good. Awesome. All right. Let's together say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now keeping this leg straight, toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. I'm leaning down, reaching for your toes. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna go down to our stomach just like this, and we're gonna stretch out. Just stretch our upper body just like this. Okay? And we'll say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do, okay? We're gonna be on our knees like this. We're gonna stretch out our wrists. I want you guys to take your hands just like this, turn them upside down, place them on the mat gently on the ground, and then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick. Really slowly lean back. Okay? And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna take our fingers. We're gonna go this way now. Fingers down. Good. Now leaning back slowly. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. You're awesome. All right, shake your hands. Shake it out just like this. I'm gonna take one hand, put it on the side of your head like this. We're gonna stretch out the side of our neck here. Repeat nice loud after me. Really gentle pull. Then let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job. Other side now. Stretching out your neck. Then let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯,
Yasin. Eagle. You there. Aho. Yeah, good, awesome. Now this time, hands in the back of your head here, stretching your neck down. And say, Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Yasin. Yasin. Eagle. You there. Aho. Yeah, awesome. Good job. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders a little bit. Very good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now we got a couple more stretches, some standing ones. Don't take your feet together just like this. I don't want you guys just to hang. Just hang down like this. No counting. Hold this position. Good. 5 more seconds. And slowly come up. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Chariye. Kiniye.
Let's go ahead and see who the winner of the giveaway is. Awesome. All right, so parents or kids, if this is your username, parents send me a message on the About Page section on my channel so I can get your guys' contact information. You guys will want a free copy of our newest book, Dr. Fist's The Wrong Destiny Part 1. Now, if you want a copy of this book anyway, click the links down below. I have copies in ebook and print version. Now, depending on how this does, if enough people like the story and want to continue, we will add a part 2 and a part 3. So make sure you guys click the links down below. Also, parents, if you're looking for a way for your kids to learn martial arts at home, I provided links to a 6-week program that you guys can try out and see if you guys like it, okay? Hope you guys are great every day, and I'll see you all next time. Chariye? Kiniye. All right, bye everybody. See y'all later. Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for an activity to help your kids get more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at Co-op, and I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week, the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.